Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to check out how to set Digit to save for a new gadget. Now if you're planning to buy a new gadget, whether it's a smartphone, a laptop or gaming console, Digit can help you to save for it effortlessly. All you got to do is first open a Digit app and create a new saving goal. Give it a clear name like new gadget, could be new laptop, new gaming consoles, whatever it is. Just go ahead and give it a clear and easy name. And next, the target amount that you need to save for your gadget. If you don't know the exact price, you can just estimate it based on current market price or your budget. Digit will then analyze your spending habits and income to figure out a safe amount that it can automatically save for you each day without causing financial strain. Once set, Digit will make small automated transfers to your gadget saving goal, helping you to accumulate funds steadily without manual efforts. You can check your saving progress anytime in the app, and if you want to speed up savings, you can simply adjust the goal amount or you can just pause other goals temporarily. When you've reached your target, you're going to be ready to buy your gadget without dipping into your regular budget or credit cards. Using Digit this way makes saving for your tech purchases smooth and stress-free. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you in the next one.